Write an equation for the line given. Write the final answer in slope-intercept form. Here we have a line pictured, and it goes to the points 0, -4, as well as the point x equal 2, y equal 1. Now, to write the equation of this line, we need two pieces of information. We need to know the slope and a point on the line. So let's go ahead and just look at this line and determine the slope by counting. As we move from the point 0, -4 to the point 2, 1, we need to travel up 5 units and over 2. So we're going to rise 5 units, and this is a run of 2 units. Therefore, the slope of this line is 5/2. Now let's also notice that we're given a point at 0, -4 that is on the y-axis. Therefore, the y-intercept is -4. So I'm going to use the equation y equal mx plus b, the slope-intercept form for an equation of a line, and substitute values. We've determined that the slope is 5/2, and we're given that b, the y-intercept, is a -4. So plus a -4, let's go ahead and write as -4. Therefore, the equation of this line graphed is y equal 5/2 x minus 4.